Canva landing page tutorial. Creating a landing page in Canva helps you design a compelling page to promote your content or offerings and encourage action from visitors. Now here is how we are going to get this done if you want to do it here in Canva. So the first thing that we are going to do is just basically type here landing page, and then you should see here a lot of templates, so just go ahead and click see all in order for you to see all of the available templates that you can use. Now take note that there are free templates here that you can use right away. There are also some of these here that needs a pro account. Now I'm just going to go ahead and scroll down right here in order for you guys to see some of the options down here. Now say for example we are going to go ahead and use this one. I'm just going to go ahead and click this template, click customize, and then we're going to go ahead and try designing this on our own. So first things first, I'm just going to delete these two right here, and then we're going to put our logo in here. Now I'm going to hit the elements, and then we're going to go ahead and use this one. Now take note that this is actually just from Canva itself. I did not make this one. So you can go ahead and try to find something in here as well. Now after doing so, we're just going to go ahead and try to remove some of these. I'm going to go ahead and call this one organic honey, just like so. And then we're going to use Anton once again. Oops, we have used a different one. There you go. And then this time as well, we're going to click this, and still the same thing, organic honey. And we're going to use Anton once again. Now we're going to click this one, and we're going to go ahead and try to have the spacing or increase the spacing. So I'm going to do this one just like so. And another thing is this one, you can go ahead and try to write something else in here, say for example a description or whatever. Now for here, shop now, you should see something like this. So basically what I want to happen is that when they click this one, they will be redirected somewhere else. So how am I going to do that? I just click this one right here, and then we're going to go ahead and click the link, and then we're going to go ahead and say for example right here google.com, just like so. And after doing so, I can just go ahead and hit done. Alright, there you go, Google has been added. Now another thing is this one right here. So I'm just going to click this one right here, click link, and then we're going to go ahead and say for example redirect this to another page. Now first we're going to create another page, say for example here, and I'm just going to go ahead and try to add something like this, and I'm going to go ahead and call this one home page. Say for example, I want you to go ahead and redesign this, but I'm just going to go ahead and show you this one. So basically I'm showing you that it is possible to redirect them to another page of yours, and this one is about page, say for example. Now we're going to go back here, click this, and then we're going to go ahead and link this one. So how are we going to link that? There you go, you can see that we have the home page here. So I'm going to click this, click done, click this once again, and then we're going to click the link, and we're going to go ahead and choose that. There you go. Alright, so basically that's it. And then say for example you want to change the color of the background, you can just click the background, click this one right here, and then choose what color you want to use for your background. So say for example something like that, or you can also click this one right here and choose from here. So say for example something like that. Alright, that's how you're going to do it. Now if you want to do any other changes, you can definitely do that one. You can also put some videos in here if you want to, but basically we're going to stop from here. Now from this point forward, we're going to go ahead and check it out. So I'm going to click the share button, and then we're going to go ahead and choose public view link. Create public view link, and then copy this one, and then we're going to check it out. Alright, there you go. Now I'm going to go ahead and click this one. Obviously we should be redirected here, so I'm going to click it. There you go, the same thing here. Alright, and another one is this one, we should be redirected to Google. Okay, there you go. So yep, I guess it works, everybody. Congratulations, that is the easiest way in order for you to be able to do a landing page here on Canva. Congratulations, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Upgrading to Canva Pro has been a game changer for people who are serious about getting top quality designs, even if they are beginner whose knowledge of designing is limited. It offers a suite of advanced design tools and exclusive templates that can elevate the quality of your projects. Should you be interested, click that link in the description box and the comment section below and enjoy amazing perks just for you. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below.